As Farzad, I'm a marketing administrator in Maple Air. We specialize in heating and cooling industry. We've been in this business for over 12 years, so we know this business incredibly well. We value customer service, and we are the new vendors in Improve Canada. There are many residential and commercial places in GTA that need their systems to be replaced in upcoming 5 years. Being part of Improve Canada will help Maple Air Inc. to be easily accessible to that public. Being part of Improve Canada brings us the exposure that we need for the company. Having the opportunity to share the cost for advertisements with 400 other vendors gives us a great return on investment. So therefore we're spending less money on advertisements. And this is a great business plan for us and for future to think about. If you're in this industry, I don't know why you wouldn't be at Improve. From Maple Air Inc.'s perspective, for us, it's a win-win situation.